School Rocks Nation presents How Light is Used to Send Information. Grade 3 Science, Quarter 3, Week 8, Day 3, Revised K-12 Curriculum. What do you call this object? It is a traffic light. What are the colors do you see in the traffic light? The colors are red, yellow, and green. What does each color mean? Red means stop, yellow means to get ready or slow down, green means go. Do you know that we can also use lights to send messages to people? The traffic light uses colors to communicate when it's safe to stop, slow down, or go. This helps keep everyone safe on the road. History of use of light for communication. 1. Fire beacons. A fire on a hill of tower that can be seen from far away. For example, Greeks used fire beacons to announce the fall of Troy. 2. Smoke signals. Native American tribes use coded language using smoke. For example, a single puff could mean all is well, while two puffs could signal come here. The color of the smoke can also be changed. 3. Lighthouse. A lighthouse uses light to send signal. Each lighthouse has its own pattern of flashes. For example, Cape Santiago Light in Batangas flashes 2 white lights every 10 seconds. The Apo Reef Light in Mindoro flashes 1 white light every 10 seconds. These patterns help ships know where they are. 4. Signal lamp. It uses a strong beam of light to send messages over long distances, usually using Morse code. A quick flash represents a dot, and a longer flash represents a dash. Remember, light can be used to send information by creating patterns. Examples of light patterns include changing colors, flashing at different speeds, or using different on and off combinations to represent messages. Activity. Write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which object uses light to show information? A. Traffic light. B. Spoon. C. Book. 2. How does a traffic light send information to drivers? A. By making sounds. B. By showing different light colors. C. By moving up and down. 3. What does a red light usually tell people to do? A. Go. B. Slow down. C. Stop. 4. A blank uses light beam to send signals to ships. A. Flashlight. B. Lamp. C. Lighthouse. 5. This is a fire on top of a hill or tower that can be seen from far away and is used to send signals. A. Fluorescent light. B. Fire beacons. C. Oil lamp. Here are the answers. 1. Which object uses light to show information? A. Traffic light. 2. How does a traffic light send information to drivers? B. By showing different light colors. 3. What does a red light usually tell people to do? C. Stop. 4. A blank uses light beam to send signals to ships. C. Lighthouse. 5. This is a fire on a hill or tower that can be seen from far away and is used to send signals. B. Fire beacons.